In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your Call of Duty account email address. What I'm simply going to show you is how you can edit your email address to change it within your Call of Duty account. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to callofduty.com and log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you can come to the top right hand corner to your username. Once you click on your username, you can then go to basic info. And once you click on basic info, what that will do is it will bring you to this here. And as you can see, there's an option for my email address. If I click on edit at the side of this, what that will do is it will bring this pop up here, or it will have you go ahead and verify your account by entering in a code that they do send to your Gmail. So once you have entered in your code and you have verified that this is your account, what you can do once you click on edit is just simply change your email address. Once you have entered in your new email address, you can simply click on the save button. Once you click on save, you will now need to enter in your current password. And once you have entered in your current password, you can then click on the submit button. Once you click on submit, as you can see, my email address has now been changed. So it's just as simple, guys, to change your email address on your Call of Duty account. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.